got big mounds of snow. Crazy. I got run up in here at Walmart. I'm having an issue today with my bank card. Trying to get money off. The chip is acting crazy. So therefore I have to go in Walmart and get cash back a couple times. That don't make no sense. Sometimes that's why I hate these bank cards, because if the chip get bad, when you go to try to get money out of the ATM, it doesn't want to read your card correctly. And I don't care, I brushed it off a few times, cleaned it, and it still was doing the same thing. So I gotta go ahead and spend extra money to get cash back. So I'll catch y'all in a minute, or I might just go ahead and let y'all go along with me and watch the whole procedure, because it's fucking ridiculous. So catch y'all in a minute, or I catch y'all inside. Boy, Ram did good in the all-wheel driving out here in the snow. We are so over the snow already, y'all. I'm trying to tell y'all. So we're gonna run up in here and grab what we gotta grab. And of course, y'all know it's time for that Smokin Metal winter merch to come out. So we're getting ready to start posting them hoodies, hats. It's okay. Hoodies, hats, you know, sweatsuits, all of the above, because it's that time, and some people might need something. So let's see, what do we really want to get from here? Oh, I get cat food, so might as well go walk back here, go grab a big bag of cat food, and grab a little bag of Hearts Love Bites, and grab a bag of these. And some dog food. I think that's about all we need. They got any good Scullies? Oh, there go the Scully. My son, like the one he has for school. They'll be good. Plain, black. Yes, indeed. What y'all think? Some good hats. Oh, they got them in nice thick joints too. See that? Mm-hmm. They got these. Oh yeah. They the knitted joints. But I think we're gonna come grab some hats. We ain't gonna get nothing today, but we're gonna grab some. It's time to make some more hats. Yeah, Smokin Metal CarFun. I like that. That'd be a good one. Oh yeah. Hey, this type of stuff I do. Roam around. You never know what my day consists of. So.
Insert cash or select payment type.
Yeah, swipe. See, I'm having problems with this card. Excuse me. I'm having problems with my
Card decline?
yeah, because of this thing. And I'm trying to swipe it, then as though
Insert cash or select payment type.
Okay, now try.
try to swipe it.
Let me see.
Yeah, I tried to wipe it off. See? Maybe that's what I need to do. I tried to get money from the ATM. My ATM, I got money in there, but it's saying,
Gotcha.
yeah. So hopefully that'll work. 'Cause I'm like, man, fuck it. I just have to get cash back.
Alright.
Insert cash or select payment type.
Let's see. So I can't swipe it.
Insert cash or select payment type. Use PIN pad to complete transaction.
Yes. Oh, I want to
Oh,
cash
you
back.
did?
Yes.
Oh well.
I have to redo it again.
Yeah.
I got these other things. But at least it worked.
No, it didn't.
Let's say,
Declined again.
why is it
Insert
acting
cash or
crazy?
select payment type.
It's $410
Try it again if
on
you
here.
want, but
Yeah.
you can only try it 3 times and won't let you do it after that.
Oh. Cash for that. Jesus
You
Christ.
want me to keep that on here though?
Nah, don't even worry about it. I
You
ain't-
don't want this end?
Nah.
No?
Nah, I'm gonna just get the cat stuff. Not having a good day. Not being a good day for me. It wasn't working yesterday, and tried to call the people and say something about it, and it didn't want to work yesterday.
That is 706.
There you go. I think I got 6. Let's see. I got. Nope, I got 10. Actually, you can give me a nickel back. So yeah, y'all, we still having problems with these cards. See, this is why I tell y'all all the time, I hate bank cards. I like to just have my money underneath my mattress. So,
And 305. I hope you get that problem fixed.
yeah, because my money is on there.
Yeah, I
And-
can understand. You
you know?
can't even get it.
right. It's crazy. Have a good one, sweetie. So y'all see that. We done came here, we done tried, and we got shut down. So, don't know what else to say about it, but ATM's not working. It's not working at the machine. Now, mind you, I used it this morning. Used it this morning at Sheets. It's just a bad day. Just one of them days.
I went to the, what the payment.
And see the receipt?
Yeah, okay, send
All
that.
right, thank you.
And
And so, I'm aggravated, man. It's not going well at all. I don't know what to think or to say about it. I appreciate that. Thank you. Fucking mind blown, y'all. Mind blown. So, how do we do this? What's next? I don't know. So, give me a minute. Let me figure this out, and I'll get back to you. really having problems with that. I'm not getting it. Having a bad day, bad morning. We're just gonna say morning right now. It's gonna get better. It's just a rough start. Can't get my money off. Pay my bills. I'm not understanding why. So now we just getting ready to go home, call the bank, figure out what's going on. This kind of day it's gonna be, hopefully it's gonna get better. But who would have thought that this is what's gonna transpire? Not understanding. But that's this day and age, man. Everything is about computers, electronic banking, electronic banking. To be honest with y'all, I'm over it. And we go back to sticking money underneath the mattress. You know what I mean? And save it that way. And if I need it, just go in there and get something under the mattress. I think that's what I'm getting ready to do. Y'all see a video where I pull money out from under my mattress, y'all know why. Because, goodness, not a good day. Not at all. And, you know, between we got snow. I don't know, maybe, hopefully you guys are having an awesome and great day. Besides my little shenanigans that I'm going through right now. And I mean shenanigans. So, yeah, I pull back up at the house. I enjoy riding around in my truck, you know, with the snow out here. You know, it ain't bad out here. Able to move around. The good thing about having a four-wheel drive vehicle. The only vehicle I have that's not four-wheel drive is the Magnum. And we honestly do not even waste our time in driving that in the wintertime. So I'm gonna get off here, y'all. It's your boy CeeLo from Smokin Metal CarFun. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, smash that notification bell so y'all can get all upcoming content that I put out. Hopefully the day get better. I'm quite sure it will. It's just a early in the morning hiccup, so I'll catch y'all later.